Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be changing the inner tube on a dirt bike tire. And first, all you gotta do is loosen the rim lock and this bolt right here. This is a size 12 millimeter and this is a 14 millimeter. And all you need today is a tire spoon, and I like to use a flathead sometimes. Get in there, hold it open, and I like to soak it in water. It makes it slippery for me, and I also like to get water on my tires started off. Get it nice and soapy. That should be good enough. Next, what you're gonna want to do is start breaking the bead on it. Gotta use your hands and your knees sometimes. See, the bead broke pretty easy on this one, because I've been riding on a flat for a minute now. And you want to start right over here. Don't gotta be very careful because there's no tube in there yet. So it could be as rough as you would like. See guys, I got it off. Now what you do is pull your tube out. Still holding air somewhat. I'll definitely patch this tube up. Alright, next you want to grab your next tube, your new tube, and find your hole. Push this up some. My hole is right here, so go ahead and line it up. I can't find the hole yet. I'm just going to put the tube in there a little bit more. Alright guys, I'm back. Finally got this piece in. It was a pain. Now we'll finish off getting this tube in here. Make sure it's around that rim lock, or else it'll get flat. It'll pinch and get flat. And in this tire, I'm going to be using a repaired tube. So it's got holes in it, but I use tire patches. The whole kit. Ordered it online for like $3. So if you're on a budget, I would recommend getting a tire patch kit. Alright, so I got it in. Now what you do, I'm gonna just up a little bit. But what you do is get your rim wet, soapy water. Get all in between it. Alright, so it's good right here. This is where I cannot start right there actually. I like to start over here where this is at, because that's the best way to start. Because this is hard to get on right here where the rim lock is. So we're gonna go ahead and start right here. Check, always check, make sure you're not pinching your tube. Can't get in there, so you just gotta be very careful and on the edge. Sometimes you can't fit your fingers in them. Alright, that one's pretty far back. Sometimes you can just push it right back on, which I'm doing right now. You don't really need the tire spoons when you put the soap and water on there until the end. Okay, now it's starting to get a little harder on me, so I'm going to use a tire spoon. You're going to want to push this piece right here up so that it'll bead up correctly. Okay. as you see, it beaded up already right there. That's what it's supposed to do. Now you just tighten these down, fill your air up, and put your tire on, and that's how you